Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the elastic and rope. Look for frays, weak spots, and how much stretch remains. Measure the damaged section in centimeters or inches and decide if repair or replacement is faster. You want proportional width and stretch. Once done, select a replacement elastic or rope with similar elasticity and material, nylon for durability, braided for load. Lay out scissors, seam ripper, fabric glue, and a needle. Make sure to have a clamp or clothespin to hold tension while you work. You then remove the old elastic or rope from its anchoring, unpicking seams precisely at attachment points. Trim any frays and, for synthetic rope, singe the ends lightly or brush on fray glue so the splice holds. For elastic, avoid heat that damages stretch. Next, overlap the new and old sections, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch for elastic, 2 to 3 centimeters for rope. Then pin under the tension the final application will need. This alignment ensures the repair keeps correct length and function. You secure the splice with strong stitching, sew multiple passes with a reinforced stitch or a bar tack, and use heavy upholstery thread for strength. Alternatively, fasten with a cord lock or fabric glue plus stitches. Once fastened, test at the actual operating tension, moving slowly and checking for slippage, stiffness, or fabric puckering. If it slips or feels weak, increase the overlap, restitch with heavier thread, or replace the entire elastic or rope. This troubleshooting step prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.